Have you ever wondered if your idle cash could be doing more than simply occupying space in your bank account? In a world of rapidly changing financial landscapes and economic uncertainties, the decision to keep your money in cash might not be the most brilliant move. Does the prospect of your hard-earned cash simply languishing in a savings account or under your mattress leave you feeling like you're missing out on potential opportunities? Well, you're not alone. Exploring alternative options that can preserve your wealth and help it grow is crucial. In today's video, we will delve into the intriguing world of investing in affordable assets, unveiling a range of options that offer the potential to outperform traditional cash holdings. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth for more informative videos. Vintage cars hold a unique and timeless charm in the world of investments and collectibles. These classic automobiles have transcended their original utility as mere modes of transportation and have become symbols of luxury, style, and craftsmanship. What sets vintage cars apart as an investment is their ability to appreciate in value over time, making them a coveted asset class among enthusiasts and investors alike. These cars often have distinguishing features, such as historical significance, rare engineering innovations, or limited production numbers, which contribute to their allure and potential for long-term appreciation. A notable example of a vintage car's investment potential is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. This iconic vehicle is not only a masterpiece of design, but also boasts a unique feature: its distinctive upward opening gullwing doors. With only a limited number of units produced, this vintage gem has steadily appreciated in value over the years. Similarly, vintage Ferraris, such as the 250 GTO, have reached astronomical prices in recent auctions, exemplifying the enduring appeal of these classic cars. Vintage car enthusiasts and investors recognize that these automotive works of art not only offer a glimpse into the past, but also represent a tangible and potentially lucrative investment for the future. Platinum, one of the rarest and most precious metals on Earth, holds a unique position in the world of investments. Its scarcity, coupled with its various industrial applications, makes it an intriguing choice for investors seeking a stable and long-term store of value. Unlike gold and silver, platinum is relatively scarce, with annual production far lower than its counterparts. This inherent rarity contributes to its desirability as an investment, as supply constraints can drive up its price during periods of high demand. Moreover, platinum's industrial applications, particularly in the automotive sector for catalytic converters and in the jewelry industry, create consistent demand for the metal, adding to its investment appeal. Its ability to withstand corrosion and high temperatures further enhances its utility in various industrial processes. Investors looking to diversify their portfolios often turn to platinum as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. While it doesn't have the same historical track record as gold, platinum's unique supply-demand dynamics and its use in critical sectors provide a compelling case.
To pick a product, crude oil, cotton, gold, silver, anything that, and of course cotton has utility. Gold really doesn't have utility. I would bet on good producing businesses to outperform something that doesn't do anything over any period of time. But there's no question that rising prices create their own excitement. So when people see gold go up a lot, I mean, if your neighbor owns some gold and you think you're smarter than he is and you didn't own any, and your wife says to you, how come that jerk next door is making money, and you're just sitting here, it can start affecting behavior. And people like to get in on things that have been rising in price and all of that. But over time, that has not been the way to get rich.
Commodities play a crucial role in the world's economy, serving as essential raw materials for various industries and providing a means for investors to diversify their portfolios. These tangible assets include items such as crude oil, agricultural products like wheat and cotton, and precious metals like gold and silver. One of the primary reasons investors turn to commodities is their ability to act as a hedge against inflation. When inflation rises, the prices of commodities tend to increase as well, preserving the real value of investments. Additionally, commodities are known for their relatively low correlation with traditional financial assets like stocks and bonds, making them a valuable addition to a well-balanced investment strategy. Investors can access the commodities market through various instruments, including futures contracts and exchange-traded funds, providing flexibility and liquidity in their investment choices. Commodities have been traded for centuries, initially through barter systems and later evolving into modern electronically traded markets. This long history reflects the enduring demand for these goods, which remain essential for everyday life. Beyond their role as a financial asset, commodities hold intrinsic value due to their use in manufacturing, energy production, and agriculture. For example, crude oil is the lifeblood of the global energy industry, while agricultural commodities like soybeans and corn are essential for food production. As a result, commodities provide a unique investment opportunity where investors can participate in the real economy while potentially benefiting from price appreciation. Real estate is a diverse and dynamic asset class that has consistently proven to be a valuable investment over time. It encompasses a wide range of properties, from residential homes to commercial buildings and vacant land. A key attraction of real estate as an investment is its historical ability to appreciate in value. While real estate markets may experience fluctuations over the long term, property values tend to rise. This is due to factors like population growth, urbanization, and limited land supply in desirable locations. As more people seek homes and businesses need space, the demand for real estate increases, which in turn can drive up property values. Furthermore, real estate investments offer various income opportunities. Rental properties, for instance, provide a steady stream of passive income through monthly rent payments. This can be particularly appealing for investors looking to supplement their current income or plan for retirement. Additionally, real estate investments can offer tax benefits, such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. These tax advantages can help investors reduce their overall tax liability and increase their after-tax returns on real estate investments. Land is a finite and valuable resource that holds immense potential for various forms of investment and development. In the realm of real estate, land is considered a prime asset due to its ability to appreciate in value over time. When individuals or investors acquire land, they not only gain ownership of a physical piece of earth, but also secure a long-term investment opportunity. Land's value often appreciates as population growth and urbanization drive up demand for residential, commercial, and industrial spaces. Additionally, the scarcity of land in desirable locations further fuels its value, making it an attractive option for those looking to build wealth over time. Apart from its potential for capital appreciation, land also offers various other opportunities for income generation. Agricultural land, for instance, can be used for farming activities, providing a steady source of income through crop cultivation or livestock breeding. Furthermore, land can be leased to others for various purposes, such as agriculture, recreational use, or commercial development, generating rental income. Moreover, as land is a tangible and finite asset, it can act as a hedge against economic uncertainties and inflation, preserving its intrinsic value over time.
If you buy 100 acres of farmland, it will produce for you every year. You can use that money to buy more farmland. You can do all kinds of things. For 100 years, it'll produce things for you, and you still have 100 acres of farmland at the end of the 100 years.
Fine art represents a captivating and diverse realm of human creativity, encompassing various forms of visual expression that often transcend the boundaries of time and culture. It serves as a repository of human emotions, values, and ideas, offering a unique window into the artist's perspective and the context of their era. From the exquisite brushstrokes of the Renaissance masters like Leonardo da Vinci to the revolutionary avant-garde works of Pablo Picasso, fine art has consistently pushed the boundaries of imagination and innovation. Each piece carries its narrative, inviting viewers to engage in a profound dialogue with the artist and their vision. The art world is not only a reflection of artistic mastery, but also a thriving market where collectors and investors seek to acquire pieces that not only resonate aesthetically, but also hold the potential for significant financial appreciation. As demonstrated by the growing interest in art as an investment class, fine art transcends its aesthetic value to become a dynamic asset that offers a unique combination of cultural enrichment and financial potential. Livestock plays a significant role in the global economy and food supply chain. These animals, including pigs, cows, chickens, sheep, and goats, are considered valuable assets for various reasons. They are raised for their meat, milk, eggs, and other byproducts, making them essential contributors to the agricultural sector. Moreover, livestock serves as a vital source of protein for billions of people worldwide, addressing food security challenges in both developed and developing nations. In addition to their role in providing food, livestock also have economic implications. They can be viewed as capital assets, similar to stocks or investments, due to their potential for generating returns. Farmers and investors alike recognize the value of livestock as they offer opportunities for profit through breeding, selling, and processing. Furthermore, livestock contributes to rural livelihoods, supporting the income and employment of countless individuals involved in the agriculture and livestock industries. Value stocks are a category of investments that attract investors seeking stable returns and long-term growth. These stocks are typically associated with companies that are well established and have a history of consistent performance. What distinguishes value stocks is their lower price-to-earnings ratio compared to growth stocks. Investors are drawn to value stocks because they believe these companies are undervalued by the market, presenting an opportunity for future growth. Value investing is rooted in the principle of buying assets for less than their intrinsic value, making it an attractive strategy for those looking to minimize risk while still enjoying steady returns. Renowned investor Warren Buffett is a proponent of value investing, and his success has further popularized this approach. The appeal of value stocks lies in their potential for long-term appreciation. These stocks often belong to companies with established business models, solid financials, and a history of paying dividends. While they may not exhibit the rapid growth seen in high-flying tech startups, value stocks offer stability and consistency. Investors in value stocks are typically patient, willing to hold onto their investments for extended periods to realize their full potential.
When we buy a business, we look at what the business earns and decide how we feel about it in terms of what we paid. But we are buying something that at the end of the period, we not only have what we bought in the first place, but we have something that the asset produced.
Luxury watches have transcended their mere timekeeping functionality to become coveted status symbols and valuable investments. These timepieces are characterized by meticulous craftsmanship, precision engineering, and often adorned with rare and precious materials. What sets luxury watches apart is their ability to appreciate in value over time, making them not only stylish accessories but also lucrative assets. Brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet have consistently maintained their reputation for producing watches that not only stand the test of time, but also increase in value. Collectors and investors are drawn to vintage and limited edition models, as they tend to fetch exorbitant prices at auctions and in the secondary market. The rarity, exclusivity, and meticulous attention to detail in luxury watchmaking have solidified their position as a tangible and enduring investment option for those with a keen eye for horological excellence. Gold, often referred to as the king of precious metals, holds a unique and enduring allure in the world of investments. Its intrinsic value is rooted in its scarcity and the fact that it has been considered a store of value for centuries. Investors turn to gold as a hedge against economic uncertainty and inflation. When traditional investments like stocks and bonds falter, gold tends to shine brighter. This precious metal has a historical track record of preserving wealth and maintaining its value during times of crisis, making it a reliable asset for diversifying a portfolio. Moreover, the ease of trading gold, both physically and electronically, makes it accessible to a wide range of investors, from individual buyers to institutional funds. Another noteworthy aspect of gold is its versatility as an investment vehicle. Investors can choose to buy physical gold in the form of coins, bars, or jewelry, providing a tangible asset that can be stored securely or displayed as a form of wealth. Additionally, gold can be traded on commodities markets through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or futures contracts, allowing for more liquid and speculative investments. The unique combination of historical significance, intrinsic value, and investment flexibility has solidified gold's enduring status as a sought-after asset in the financial world, appealing to both conservative investors looking for stability and those seeking potential capital gains in times of market volatility. Thank you for watching our video on best cheap assets to buy instead of holding cash. We hope you found the information insightful and useful. If you enjoyed the content, we would appreciate your support by leaving a comment, giving the video a like, and subscribing to the New Africa Wealth channel. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos in the future.